hit me, fell on the ground, and they just started jumping me. But they see me now. You know, sweet daddy that know for the fuck else from.
So you guys, I want to bring out this video on Morant just because we definitely got some things that we have to talk about dealing with his latest court case. Before I get into this video, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video as well, and also press the notification bell for future updates. Now let's get to it. So check this out. If you guys didn't know, just recently a Tennessee judge ruled in court that Ja did acted in self-defense against his altercation with Joshua Holloway due to the Tennessee Stand Your Ground law. So if you don't know what the Tennessee Stand Your Ground law is, it basically means people who feel threatened at their homes can act with force in certain situations. So throughout the court case, Ja Morant's attorney said during his defense that he decided to hit Joshua first to protect himself against the teenager. Because it's clear as obvious that Joshua was trying to start a fight when everyone else was just trying to play basketball. So if y'all don't know on what happened, basically, back in July of 2022, Ja Morant was hosting a pickup game at his house, and Joshua was there because I believe he received an invite to run with Ja and his crew. So right after they played a few pickup games, Joshua ended up getting frustrated because he kept losing. So once they was about to start up another game, right, Ja ended up checking the ball up, and then once Joshua got the ball, he immediately threw an aggressive one-handed pass at Ja, which ended up hitting him on the left side of his face. And we all know that feeling when you get hit in the face with a basketball. It's not a good feeling at all. Definitely if someone intentionally throws it at you. So right after that happened, Ja then approached him and asked Joshua, "What you want?" But instead of Joshua answering his question and removing himself out of the situation, he decided to match Ja Morant's energy by pulling up his shorts, which Ja took as, "Oh, you trying to fight." So then that's when Ja got into his face, then started asking his friends, should I do it to him? So of course, right after Ja said that, Joshua could have had the opportunity to back away and say chill or something, is not that serious. But instead of doing that, Joshua decided to respond to Ja by saying, "Hit me then." So at that point, he literally was just asking for it because Ja was already heated and felt disrespected. And on top of that, he was at his house. So you know Ja was not tolerating no disrespect. So right after Joshua said, "Hit me then," that's when Ja immediately swung at him, which he did catch him. But right after that, Joshua stepped back and tried to swing back at him, which Ja did dodged it. But meanwhile, while all that was going on, Ja's friend came from the side, which I believe was Tap, ran up to Joshua, then struck him in the face, which made Joshua fall straight to the ground. Then that's when everyone else got involved and basically started jumping him. So 2 months after that incident happened, that's when Joshua Holloway and his mom decided to file a lawsuit against Ja Morant and Devontae Pack, which they stated that it was alleged assault, reckless endangerment, and infliction of emotional distress. So since the judge now ruled Ja as him acting in self-defense during this incident, Joshua now has to prove that Ja didn't act in self-defense at all. Which I don't know how he can do that because it clearly was self-defense. And on top of that, he was literally at Ja Morant's house. You can't disrespect someone at their own house and think there would not be no consequences or repercussions. So I definitely want y'all to leave your comments and opinions below on how you feel about this. I already made a couple of videos talking about this entire situation and updating everyone on what's been going on. If you have not seen them, make sure you go check it out. I'll put the links in the description box below. I thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you press the notification bell. T-Gang, we out.